Hello dear students, welcome back to the JDC Live. So today I am going to clear all the doubts regarding the documents required for the ZPAT 2021 examinations. What are the different documents which is required for the ZPAT exam? Let me clear very sweet and simple language. Here what are the basic things you need? Mainly four things you mainly need in the various conditions. First and major thing, that is the color printout of your admit card. What is required? Hard copy, means colored copy of your ZPAT 2021 exam admit card. Let me clear, try to take only colored photocopy, color printout. Okay, next, passport size photograph and 2 copy. Passport size photograph, 2 copy, same photo as you have submitted during the filling of the examination form for the ZPAT 2021. Same photograph is required. One will be pasted on the admit card and second will be submitted during the invigilation. Okay, so 2 passport size photograph is mainly required. Duly filled COVID-19 self-declaration form. This is the mainly point where a lot of students have the confusion. Let me clear one thing. This is nothing. No extra, no another documents is required. This points is only mentioned below the admit card. That is sufficient. No need to worry about the self-declaration, COVID-19 self-declaration form. Let me clear. I will clear where is the self-declaration form. And one thing which you need, that is the original ID proof. Original ID proof required for your verification purpose, and these original ID may be Aadhaar card, voter ID card or PAN card, or you can use the driving license. So these are the different ID, government ID which is required for your identification purpose. And if you are a physically disabled person, then you have to take your certificate issued by the CMO or the competent authorities from where you have completed your PWD certificate, which is required for the ZPAT 2021 examination. Okay, so these are the, so what is the major one? Let me clear one thing again. First, colored printout of admit card, 2 passport size photographs same as you have used during the filling of the examination form, original ID proof. These are the requirement. Let me clear where is the COVID-19 self-declaration form and where it required. You have this admit card with yourself in the colored form. Why colored? Because if you will match your photo with the colored admit card, then it will be easy. So that's why colored printout is very necessary. You have to compare your photo with the admit card photo, and make sure timing is very important for your exam purpose. And here is the self declaration undertaking form which is filled by the student. Here are the different symptoms you required. If you have the fever, cough, breathlessness, sore throat, body aches, these are the symptoms. If you have, then you have to tick on these positions. If you have not, then do not try to fill any one points. Okay, and if you have visited any city in last 14 days, if you have visited any city, then you mention. If you have not visited, then try to make it empty. Do not fill anything here. Okay, here is the one photograph required. You have to paste your one photograph on this position. Here you have to just put impression of your left hand thumb impression is put it on this and make it empty. No need to try any signature here at this position. This is the candidate signature, but at the invigilation during the exam, in front of the invigilator, this sign will be carried out. Okay, so these are the admit card and self declaration form. Confusion clear? Okay, next, this is the format for the PWD certificate, which is required for the physically disabled person. Next, this is the major confusion, Annexure 3, and this is the scribe. This is for which students, if any student is not well or do not have in the condition to give their exam, so they can take any helper for their exam purpose. So at that situation, if the examination authority of your center will allow you, then you can use the help of another person. But this is very rare condition, so do not think about this point. Okay, this is not necessary, this is not required for anyone. Okay, so this is the special condition. Now you have clear what are the major requirements. First, colored admit card copy. Next, 2 photograph, and third, valid ID proof, and if you have any certificate regarding the physically disabled. That's all. These are the major requirements. You use your mask for safety purpose, sanitizer, took your sanitizer for your safety purpose, water bottle, make sure transparent water bottle is necessary. You can took it with yourself for your healthy conditions. Okay, so these are the conditions. Now you have all your points clear. What are the different documents required for the ZPAT 2021? There is another one point. I have cleared all the points by the NTA official persons. So do not have any panic that my information is correct or not. I'm just saying the word which I have got from the NTA official. And some students have confusion that there are mentioned that take the sign of your parents at the appropriate position, but actually there is no need for the signature of your parents concerned. Okay, so that is the things which have mentioned into the guidelines book, but actually that is not required. Okay, so I hope I have cleared all your doubts. Okay, thank you so much to all of you. Share this video with all your friends to clear all the doubts. Thank you so much.